Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to fix the Ria Money Transfer app when it's not working properly, especially if you can't log into your account. Login issues are pretty common, but most of the time, they come down to a few simple things you can easily fix yourself. First, double check that you're using the correct email address or phone. This number, it has to be the one you used when you first created your Ria account. A small typo or using an old number can prevent you from signing in. Next, make sure your password is entered correctly. Passwords are case sensitive, so even a single capital letter or misplaced character can cause an error. If you're not sure what your password is, go ahead and reset it through the Forgot Password option on the login screen. This will send you a link or code to set a new one securely if you're still having trouble. The issue might be with the security code or two-factor authentication. Ria uses multi-factor authentication (MFA) to protect your account, which means you'll need to enter a code sent to your phone or email. Make sure you're checking the correct inbox or messages folder. If you haven't enabled MFA, the app might instead ask you to answer your security questions. If all your login information is correct and you're still stuck, try closing and reopening the app, clearing its cache, or updating it to the latest version from your app store. Sometimes the problem comes from a temporary server issue, so waiting a few minutes and trying again can also help. By checking these common issues from login details to security codes, you should be able to get back into your Ria account and continue sending or managing your transfers without any problems.